Okay, this is just a for fun video. We're looking at the right front Girling single piston floating caliper on a 91 BMW 318. It's the E30 chassis. Start with, we're going to see if the hose is clear enough, clean enough for a gravity flow, and it is. That indicates that the flex hose coming down from the chassis is in really good shape. Now I've put a C-clamp here. We're trying to squeeze the piston all the way back into the caliper. That way it minimizes the amount of stagnant fluid behind the piston. It also makes room. Today's task is changing the brake pads, and it gives us the room to get the new pads into place. And you can see we're getting lots of fluid out as we squeeze. And now the piston is fully retracted. I pinch off the bleed valve ever so gently. This is the easiest set of pads in history to change. There are a pair of slider bolts, and by taking the retainer off of just the bottom slider bolt, it will let us pivot the caliper up and out of the way. Sorry I don't have a cameraman for this. And okay. And with that bottom bolt out of the way, the caliper flips up out of the way, and the pads just fall right out of there, and the new pads can be put in place. Easy peasy. I hope you have the fun of doing this someday, and enjoy.